Good evening, everyone. Welcome to tonight's one card draw with the Isis Oracle. It's January, everyone, and yes, we are in a spirit of what? All things new. Here we have life restored. Priestess of the Phoenix. Life flows through me unobscured. From past hurts, I am now cured. I meet my life blossoming anew. My inner light shines bright and true. Isis, mother of divine perfection. Through your grace, I have resurrection. This may be exactly what many of us need at this time of year, restoration of life. Book a reading with Kenyatta's intuition. You will be blessed. Peace.